up YouTube? Back on van after a couple of months break due to weather and finances. Got some new badges to put on today, so I'm swapping out my transporter badge with a new gloss black one to match my rear badge. Comes with a template. Got this from Travelling Light for about 15 quid. And then I've already got an R badge, but it's gone a bit manky. So I've got another R badge as well. People think these are a bit poncy. I quite like them, so we're having another one. So tools we need to do this: masking tape to mask up the area so we get the new badge in the right place, and pencil. Got a heat gun, tar and glue remover to get the old glue off, and just a bit of all-purpose cleaner just to clean the area before we reapply badge. Right, crack on. job done. Not too difficult. Template worked well. Some of those letters might just need a little bit of adjustment. I've tweaked them a little bit already. So yeah, went on. Not too many problems. Looks nice. With my black, gloss black with a badge. I think that's quite cool now. Nice contrasting silver and black. And a nice shiny new R badge. Again, not everybody's taste, but I like it. So yeah. So that's how I change my badges. Subscribe if you want to see a bit more of this. I think I'm going to do a video now, a vinyl wrap my front detailing strip on the front grille. I think that'll probably be next. I did give her a full clean last night, give her a full work, so she's lovely and clean. Brand new badges on back, so probably could do a new colour on front now because that one's been on all winter, so might do that at weekend, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.